Hi everyone, this is me Samrat Manthan, and today we are discussing about intraday trading strategies. Most traders lose because they don't follow clear rules. But today, I'll give you 3 intraday strategies that work in every market: breakout, pullback, and VWAP trading. If you master only these 3, you are already ahead of 90% of traders. A breakout happens when price moves above resistance or below support with strong momentum. First, identify a clean level. Then wait for a strong candle to close outside that level. Don't jump in early. Wait for confirmation. Enter on the first pullback after the breakout candle closes. Stop loss goes just below the breakout level. Target should be at least 1:2 risk reward. Common mistake: don't trade breakouts during low volume. Most of them fail. A pullback is a temporary move against the trend. It gives you the best entries with minimum risk. In an uptrend, price creates higher highs and higher lows. In a downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. Wait for price to retrace to a previous support, Fibonacci level, or moving average like the 20 EMA. A pullback is a temporary move against the trend. It gives you the best entries with minimum risk. Stop loss goes below the pullback low. Target at previous swing high. Combine pullbacks with RSI or MACD to filter out weak setups.
VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It shows the fair value of the market during the day.
If price is above VWAP, buyers are in control. If price is below VWAP, sellers dominate. Wait for price to pull back to VWAP. If it rejects VWAP with a strong candle, enter in trend direction. Another entry is when price breaks VWAP and then retests it. Stop loss goes below VWAP. Targets near previous intraday levels. Breakouts work in high momentum markets. Pullbacks work in trending markets. VWAP works best during market open and high volume hours.
Use these 3 intraday strategies with strict risk management. If you want me to create a full PDF guide or indicator settings, just comment as strategy below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.